Creative XP spotting scopes for hunting. Waterproof scope with tripod and phone adapter for target shooting and bird watching. HD. Designed and shipped from USA. The Glasshawk 20-60x 80mm spotting scopes are shipped from the USA Amazon warehouses and produced by Creative XP, a family-owned business based in New York. Clear view. ROXANT Blackbird Compact Spotting Scope. High-definition BAK4 scope with zoom. Includes spotting scope, tripod, and carrying case. The ROXANT spotting scope comes outfitted with high-definition and military-grade features. Optical glass with a BAK4 prism and fully multi-coated all-glass lens allows for sophisticated light transmission and brightness for crystal-clear viewing. SVBONY SV2825-75x70 spotting scopes. HD spotting scope with tripod, long-range spotter scope with phone adapter for bird watching. Gosky 20-60x60 HD spotting scope with tripod, carrying bag, and scope. Phone adapter. BAK4 45-degree angled eyepiece telescope for target shooting, hunting, bird watching, wildlife scenery. Adjustable powerful 20-60x zoom magnification allows you to lock onto your target and zoom in for more detail. Emarth 20-60x60 AE 45-degree angled spotting scope with tripod, phone adapter, carry bag, scope for target shooting, bird watching, hunting, wildlife. This spotting scope features a powerful zoom magnification range that adjustable 20x to 60x magnification, 45-degree angled eyepiece. Ergonomic design allows more comfortable viewing. Field of view is 39-19 m divided by 1000 m, brings nature closer to you than ever.